So here we are up the Mournes. It took us a while to get here, but we're here now. We're going to go up the mountains and try and find this waterfall. And if the mood takes us, we might get into it. Well, we'll see. But it's a beautiful day. It's 7.5 degrees. It's in around March. And yeah, it's lovely. So see how we get on.
Or we could do that.
Alright, so we just climbed that car park road. It's all the way down there. We just hiked the whole way up. Look at this road, look at this wall. It stops at the bottom and then it continues at the top. Nice.
Hello.
Look, Madeline.
Hello.
Gang gang.
I'm trying to do this vlog myself.
Like we perceive it as a dangerous colour, so like red is and a red pepper, like you know what I mean. Like there's certain red berries,
Like chilies.
but like a pepper's fine. All right, so finding the waterfall might be a bit harder than we first imagined. We have two waterfalls to choose from. They're both very far away. Might just make do with this one and pretend that it's the one that we're trying to find, but we'll see. But this is where we're having lunch. Some Harry Potter vibes. Cheers! So yeah, we bought tacos. Looks like it's kind of floating in the ocean off Colombia. Oh my gosh. Oh! I feel like Bruce from Matilda. Bruce! Look at that.
They're lovely.
Alrighty, gotta try this.
It's very fudgy.
Mmm!
What's it like? Too squishy?
Fudgy.
Too squishy?
Like, if it was a steak, it'd be like medium rare.
Yeah.
It's good.
Is it?
It's good.
It's alright. I like the like kind of like crunchy. My brownie preferences.
Alright, so we just had lunch. We've left. We're gonna try and hike along this river. We think the waterfall might be along the lake. We think the waterfall might be up here somewhere. So we're giving it a good look anyway. There's so many waterfalls on the map, it's hard to find out the exact one. Not all vlogs have good, happy endings. You know, some vlogs are just here for the crack, and this is probably going to be one of them. If it gets too dark, we're going to have to turn back.
Got a headlamp though.
Madeline's got her headlamp ready. But these guys, there's tents just over there. There's guys camping. Very cool. Bit cold for it though. It is still the start of March. So maybe we'll do that in the summertime, Madeline. Do a bit of camping. So yeah, hopefully we find this waterfall soon. But it's a beautiful view. Get on well. I just want to say this corner is this corner here. So, see, it runs along in the corner. So we only have like a little bit more to go. It's literally just around the corner.
Yeah.
So you reckon we're probably right here this first corner. So we've found a river. It goes all the way down here. Beautifully. Helps fill up that lake. But the source and lake up here, you see it kind of looks like something out of Lord of the Rings. It's like really gets really narrow and like steep. It's trees and stuff in there, so if it's not the waterfall, it's gonna look cool anyway. It's a hike though, it's very steep. Yeah, I think we found it. If it's not, this is a waterfall. And we'll get in. We're gonna have to get in. We climbed all this way. So, let's do it. This isn't the one we were trying to find, but it's beautiful. Look at this.
Is it cold?
Well done, bro. Was it? It was good, yeah. It was way deeper than I thought. I thought I could at least stand in there, but I couldn't. So I did like a Alex Honnold kind of laying across just to try and get the shot. But yeah, it was way too deep to stand in there. It's cool. I was afraid of eels as well, even though there probably isn't eels. But yeah. We came all this way. We got the shot. I have to put this on so I don't get naked. Coffee time.
Put my flatbread right there. Don't stop talking like that. Jesus.
From Illinois.
I don't even sound like that.
Thank you. That's a wee half cup.
A wee half cup there you got yourself. Another wee filter, you need another wee filter.
Wee coffee, Madeline.
Hey!
Just to see the orange. I'm pretty sure that's it's minerals. It's from the.
It's Keelan. Here's Keelan's
Jesus
geography
Christ,
lessons up in Mourne.
it's minerals,
It's the minerals and the rock.
Marie. Jesus
It's actually
Christ,
iron.
Marie. They're
That's
not
why it's
rocks,
twisted.
they're minerals.
They're rocks, Hank.
No, they're minerals. Jesus, Marie, I got some geodes coming that are very delicate, all right?
Blurry in them because I was moving too much. I think. Going through the pics.
Going through the pics, Madeline's just
We're seeing.
modeling the mountains.
Oh, no. Yeah, modeling in the mountains. But a lot of them I'm doing my weird wiggity whack face. or falling.
That one.
I was falling.
Okay, so it's late, but we made it to the waterfall. We got in the water, we had our coffee, we had the crack, and now we're heading back just as the sun is set. Madeline got in her bikini and got into the waterfall, got some awesome shots. I get in and swam about under the waterfall. It was way deeper than I thought it was going to be. And now we're heading back. I've got my surf robe on just to keep that extra bit of heat. These guys are up here as well. Madeline's raving behind me. So the aim is to get back up through Ben Crom all the way up to Hare's Gap, try and get down to the car. It's going to be dark by the time we get down there, but you know, we found the waterfall. That was the main goal. Jeez, steep here, right? Awesome. We're in the dark. We're coming down from Ben Crom, down in, why am I Scottish? I don't know. But there's the lake's down there. There's a little fire. 2 lads are camping down there. Fair play to them. It's wild dark, but we've made it past the hard part. We're now heading back up to the Hare's Gap, and yeah, we should be. We're making good time anyway. Getting back quicker than we got here. So. Oh, there's a light. Hi. Can I get a hi? Yeah.
Come.
We're going onwards.
We're going on an adventure.
We're going down. We're doing it.
Come, Madeline.
Peace out.
You got it, Mando.
Peace out. A-Town.
Oh, are we going that way? See my breath? Yes. So we made it to the top of Hare's Gap. We stopped for a while and looked at the stars. They're all out in full view. Can't really see any right now, but you see the towns down there. Mum was on the phone. She's cooked us dinner, which is nice because we are far too late to cook anything. So yeah, the adventure continues. We're taking an easier way down, and hopefully we get down in good time. Madeline is keeping strong. She's tired, but she's getting there.
And the lasagna is giving me hope. Lasagna at the bottom.
That's the real winner. I forgot to sign off the vlog yesterday, so
Here we are. A new day.
a new day. We're at the beach. We just went and got coffee and ate some food, and we're sore. We're sore.
Yeah, we're tired.
We got some great shots though. It was a long walk. We hiked out in the dark. We lay down for a bit in the basin, and then we just ran about mountains, and the stars came out. It was quite nice. We nicknamed it Happy Hippo.
Because we were in the Happy Hippos in the valley. It was so like big, and we were just laying there, and you felt so small. And then the stars, and we're eating Happy Hippos. So it's Happy Hippo Stargazing Valley.
Thankfully, Madeline had a head torch, so we got down rightly, and we all had fun. It was a great day. And then we got into the car. We drove straight home. We ate loads, and then we went to bed.
Yeah, we were exhausted. Had some tea, and then we were just like out for the count.
Yeah.
And then we decided today we're just gonna chill out and have some good food, and then coffee, and potentially a wee bun to go.
That's what Sundays are for, you know. Go hard on Saturday.
The dog's chasing the birds. Oh, that was very cute.
So I hope you enjoyed it, and yeah, see you in the next one. Bye.